half an hour at security, as usual. Without fail, our equipment always gets stopped in Manchester. So this is our 12-hour long-haul journey to the Maldives, departing from Manchester.
Right now we're just relaxing. We've had a bit of an ordeal getting through security, as you do with a toddler and a million bags. This year we purchased a different credit card, and with that credit card you get an advantage to use lounges in loads of airports, and Manchester Airport's one of them. So this is our first time using the lounge, and actually it's been really helpful. We can just come, like, dump our bags, get some food, Mila can chill out, we can have a bit of our own space apart away from the airport.
So tick 1-0 to us. Long haul flight, nil. We always get asked the question, what stroller, what pram do we use? And since Mina has been an absolute baby, we've always used the Baby Zen Yo-Yo. It is our everyday stroller, it is our everyday pram. We don't have another one. It is one of the best for travelling, we think. You can bring it on as hand luggage, everything you need in a stroller.
It is a bit of a handful, trying to bring everything on. Are you talking now? Sorry. It is a bit stressful bringing everything on. You've got your suitcases, you've got a toddler, you've got the bag, the pram. But to be honest, it's worth the ag, because having the stroller through the airport, and as soon as you get off, it's a lifesaver. Before we come on a flight, I always try to get Mila just a couple of new things that she's never seen before, just so that it kind of keeps her a bit entertained for longer. We always find with new things it does keep her entertained. Gonna go on holiday somewhere down, oh no, somewhere down here.
Magazines and sticker books are always a winner on flights with Mila. Again, one that she hasn't seen, we'll buy it for her, and when she's starting to kick off, get a bit uncomfortable, we'll give her the magazine, the sticker book, and it will entertain her for a good hour or so, hopefully longer. An entire cup of gin and tonic just fell on my lap. We've now got 35 minutes before our connecting flight to Maldives. The connecting flight is literally at the opposite side of the airport, and we're now having to get a shuttle.
The gates close 20 minutes before departure, so we have 7 minutes, and we're still on the train. So fingers crossed the gate is just when you get off this train. We made it. 2 seconds to spare. Final call. I've never been on a final call in my life.
We made it.
So that's it, we have made it to Marley. That is 12 hours done and 2 flights, albeit a bit of a rush in between on our transfer, but Mila was a dream on the second flight. This genius over here, we had the extra leg room, so he made her a little bed on the floor with the blankets and pillows that are provided, and she just slept like a dream for the whole 4 hours, which meant that we could get a bit of kip as well, so we've had a good second flight.
With that being said, we are very tired. I'm quite tired anyway.
Yeah,
very tired. So we're going to get our luggage and we're going to head off to our first island. We've got a really exciting project coming up this week and we're going to be sharing that with you in a couple of days. So if you made it this far, please subscribe and like this video, it really helps, and we'll see you in 2 days.